And this is where the story starts. Cutscene.
How you finding Makati?
It's okay. It's the same. It's the same as Sydney.
What's your plans for today?
I'm ready to go to the market today to look at the vegetables. I'm ready. I'm all ready. I'm just waiting for you to go. I'm just sitting here, just waiting.
How you feeling?
I think that's not relevant.
Are you hiding something?
I'm not hiding anything.
Okay.
I'm not hiding anything.
We'll see you in a few hours.
Hi.
Hi again. Where are we?
We're at SM Mall of Asia in Pasay. This is the main mall of Asia. We have around 50,000 customers per.
Oh my gosh, what are we doing today? Getting some essentials, hey?
We're gonna get some essentials and we're gonna get some Starbucks.
Yeah.
And yeah, just gonna get what we came here to get in our shopping list.
Alright, let's go. First stop, Starbucks. Cheers, mate.
Let's go get some kaburi and tamales. Tamales.
What happened today at the market? Supermarket.
So I was trying to look for groceries. It was in the veg section, and so there's like I was looking for tomatoes,
Yes.
and I saw the tomato section, and there was a guy next to the tomatoes, and so it's weird, right? In the Philippines, you if you want to weigh, if you buy like a few tomatoes, you want to weigh it and know the price, you have to go to that guy, I think, and and he will then weigh it and tell you how much it costs. But like I was confused at the time, like because I just didn't know how things were working. You got people going up to him, handing him potatoes and shit, and they were just like he was putting it on the scale, and they were walking away, and I was like, all right. So I went up to him and I asked like, how much for a kilo of tomatoes, and he's like, oh, it's how much is it? Fucking, it's like $10 for a kilo of tomatoes. Oh no, it wasn't. It was how much was it? Yeah, it doesn't matter, but it was like $5 or something for a kilo of tomatoes. And then I was like, oh cool. And then like I didn't know what to do. Like I was just kind of lingering around. I was looking at the tomatoes. I didn't know if because like he had the bags next to him, so like I thought I had to like get the bags myself. I don't know. Anyway, like I just asked him. I go to him. I'm like, hey man, can I have half a kilo of tomatoes? And then he got, and he goes, okay, yeah, sure. And then he goes, oh, okay, can you get it? and he was just like, he thought for a second, and it was like, and then he got the bag, and he went to the tomatoes, and then like he got one tomato, he showed me, he's like, this one, and I was just like, yep. and then he put the tomatoes, and then he gave me half a kilo of tomatoes, and then like I was thinking like, is that this guy's job? And he goes, and then I was like, no, it's not his job. He's just there measuring the tomatoes. And I felt like such a dick afterwards. I was like, oh my god, I just made someone get to like do grocery shop for me, and it wasn't even his job. I must have been like such a dick in his eyes. I was like, what the hell? MJ saw it and I was like, what the fuck were you doing? Because you were just standing there, and I was literally just standing there, just like waiting for him. I was like, yeah, just like that. And he was picking my tomatoes, and after he was done, he waited, and then he gave me the bag with the price, and I just walked away. And I was just like, oh, that's cool. Like, I guess everyone here can just shop for you. But nah, I was being a bougie dick. It was probably a bougie dick in his eyes, thinking I could just like command everyone to fucking do my bidding.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites.
Okay, finding it.
I found this, you know, this cake. I ate it before when I was like in a family party when I was a kid. I just ordered it today.
Yeah, it's actually quite common in Filipino parties. It is.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's so wafery.
Is it?
It's so wafery. It's like every single layer is like a wafer. Dude, I fucking love it.
So hot there. We got calamansi
It's a
juice,
wafer.
and I got myself a mango cheesecake.